it is officially summer for me. So I pulled up my floppy hat, and you know with your hat, you don't have to wear it just one way. Just play with your hat. You can stick a pin across it. You can just do so many things with your floppy hat. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. Just play with it. And of course, you gotta have your dark shades. And what I did, I actually put a napkin ring on a piece of string for this dress. This is a lightweight, gauzy type dress. It's a type of dress that, you know, you're going to a festival, you're going to the beach. It's the regular price tag on this was $52. I got it resale probably $8 or $10. And then of course, you know we love our bags. Since I'm wearing so many dark colors, we're going to make it pop with some pink with the Your Stylish Ways bag. Keep in mind, this bag comes with the chain and it comes with the strap. And you might say, oh, but you're mixing gold with silver. So what? I'm grown. I can do whatever I want to do. I'm breaking the rules. So keep it fresh and follow the KISS rule of dressing. Keep it simple, sisters. Yes, I have on some mules. And I tell you, when you buy your mules, buy them a little larger because your feet will hang out. Okay? Again, basic dress. Take it to the beach. Take it on vacation. You can roll it up. Again, this is just a napkin ring. That's all. And you got to have our Stylish Ways bags. The black ones sold out. They come in pink and red. You can really make something pop with a splash of pink. Here is the pink with the gold chain. Here is the red with the, okay, the other strap. All right, okay, and back. Different hat, different necklace. And this is just a clutch bag. It doesn't have a strap. It's a clutch bag. What I did was I took the tie off the hat. This really came off of the dress. And I put it on the clutch. You can just attach it there temporarily with a pin or something to just tack it in so that you can take that little clutch that you have and you can just make it a little crossbody, but just secure it, okay? That is your fashion tip of the week. You can do a chain, any color belt, whatever, and you just put it on your crossbody purse. I'm a big fan of crossbody because I like to have my hands free. On one of our Stylish Ways crossbody bags. Here again is another clutch that you can turn into a crossbody bag by simply adding any type of, you can do a belt, a tie, or whatever. Find a way to just attach it in there temporarily. And then you have another, this one's not long enough to be a crossbody, but it can be functional. So that's any bag that's a clutch bag, a tie, rope, a strap off another belt, you just, off of the purse, you just add it to your clutch and you have a multiple use.